Myology is a study of muscular tissues. Muscle cells are called muscle fibers or myocytes. Cytoplasm of myocytes is sarcoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum of myocytes is sarcoplasmic reticulum. Plasma membrane of myocytes is sarcolemma. Myocytes have myofibrils. Skeletal muscles are associated with skeletal system. Skeletal muscles are meant for locomotion. Skeletal muscle fibers have many nuclei, so syncytial in nature. Skeletal muscles fatigue due to powerful and rapid contractions with short rest periods. Skeletal muscle fibers have many elongated mitochondria. Internal organs like stomach, intestine, urinary bladder are made of smooth muscles. Smooth muscles have spindle-shaped cells with central nucleus. Heart is made of cardiac muscles. The cells in cardiac muscles are joined end to end by intercalated discs through desmosomes and gap junctions. These are intercalated discs, the cross striations, nuclei, myocytes of cardiac muscle, here desmosomes. Skeletal muscle is a voluntary muscle. Smooth and cardiac muscles are involuntary. Skeletal muscle moves with the will of the person, whereas smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are function according to the body's instructions. Types of muscle cells. Skeletal and cardiac muscles are striped. Smooth muscles are unstriped. These are striped muscles, skeletal and cardiac. These are unstriped smooth muscles. Striated muscles have alternate light and dark bands. These are alternate light and dark bands. So Z disc followed by dark band and light band. Sartorius muscle has the longest fibers 12 inches and stapedius muscle shortest fibers 0.04 inches. Sartorius muscle is between ascis and pes anserin, whereas stapedius muscle is in middle ear. Myofibrils have thick and thin myofilaments. Thick and thin myofilaments. Thick myofilament has a larger protein called myosin. Thin myofilament has smaller protein called actin. Myofibril overlapping of thick myosin and thin actin form dark A band. Anisotropic, so no light is required. Thin actin myofilament produces light I band, isotropic band to allow light. This is isotropic band, this is anisotropic band. Cutting across each I band is a dark Z line. Within A band, light H zone, hence this lies with a myosin. Area between two Z lines is sarcomere. Sarcomere is a fundamental contractile unit of myofibril. Myofibrils are very randomly arranged in smooth muscles. Cardiac muscle present in heart. Cardiac muscle consists of nucleus, striations of jet lines, connective tissue sheath, sarcolemma, capillaries, sarcoplasm, myofibrils, intercalated disc. So here heart consists of cardiac muscle with intercalated discs and gap junctions, nucleus, cardiac muscle fiber. These are the gap junctions. Cardiac muscle cell is intact with intercalated disc section. A diagrammatic view of cardiac muscle. Note the striations and intercalated discs, myofibrils, mitochondria, nucleus, cardiac muscle cell section. Intercalated disc always occurs at a Z line. Intercalated disc always occur at Z line. Interesting facts, you have more than 650 muscles. Muscles make up 40% of your body mass. There are no muscles in your fingers. Your fingers are controlled by tendons that connect to muscles in the palm of your hand and your forearm. This is deltoid muscle, triceps brachii with a long head, lateral head and medial head, and this is biceps brachii. Here popliteus muscle, tibialis posterior muscle, flexor hallucis longus, flexor digitorum longus. You can see here extrinsic muscles of tongue, intrinsic muscles of tongue. So anterior view of the eye, you can find superior oblique muscle, medial rectus muscle, inferior rectus muscle, inferior oblique muscle, lateral rectus muscle, superior rectus muscle. So once again, superior oblique, superior rectus, optic nerve. From view of iris and pupil in low light intensity, pupil dilated with circular muscle relaxed, radial muscle contracted. Here pupil constricted, circular muscle contracted, radial muscle relaxed. So muscles in iris are unique for a person. Thank you very much.